Okay, so first video, there'll be a few more coming, but this truck 2019 6.0 had a little bit of a squeak as soon as you started it up. After it ran for a minute or so, the squeak would go away, and so I want to take care of that squeak, and so I replaced the Serpentine belt. And by the way, all you Butler owners really need to take heed to this. The belt number is 6PK2346. Now that's a Gates part micro V belt, and I replaced the idler pulley as well, and the tensioner pulley down here. Sorry, tensioner pulley. And if you just take a good look as to how the belt's routed, I think there's also a diagram on the mass airflow sensor. A little bit difficult getting it through here. No big deal, it'll fit. It does fit. But took care of the squeak. Now I'm going to throw some new AX65s for the Butler system on the unit as well. Take a look at this. Now here's the part. I bought these parts from O'Reilly. This is for the idler pulley. That's the part number. There's the part number for the tensioner pulley, tensioner and the pulley. It comes as a complete unit like that. And then here again is the V belt number, and that's like an inch shorter than the factory belt because of the Butler thermostat housing gooseneck, and keeps it away from the gooseneck there. So just a small repair today, but I don't like squeaks. You guys that are suffering squeaks, I think if you have good belts on the front end and you've got a good crank pulley down there as well, that's in good shape. Just starting to show signs of grooving, but it's not anywhere near replacement yet, in my opinion. And then if you got a fresh set of belts on there, AX65s, and you're suffering a squeak problem, look at your Serpentine belt. But I also double check these pulleys as well. This idler and the tensioner pulley down there, they both spin and they operate comfortably. So Chip's Butler service, I'm all over it.